Hi, this is Kurt Howell from NTP Technology, makers of Penta and DAD products. Today we're going to be discussing House of Worship and the Dante Network. In House of Worship broadcast infrastructures, whether being in facility or outdoor broadcasting applications, a central backbone is needed when a variety of analog and digital signals are interconnected. Often there is need for flexibility in terms of audio interfaces, formats, clock sources, as well as interconnection, signal flows, and network. And the Dante network is that solution. A basic Dante network solution looks like this. You have a digital Dante-enabled console connected to a hub. You have your congregation hall and your choirs. You have amp racks with additional Dante gear. You're probably recording this to your DAW of choice, and you're probably broadcasting this over the internet. This is a single domain, simple system setup. Dante Control 4.1 gives you access to all those Dante devices to route, setting up your sample rates, and configure a simple system and control. The problem is the term simple. As you grow your complex multi-format needs and connections, you need a system that can expand with it. When advanced control is needed, third-party domain software is available, but at considerable costs. Utilizing the NTP Penta 720 or the new 721S DNT, you get access to all of those devices on your network or networks with added domain submask control built in. Essentially, a backbone to your audio over IP network. So let's look at that basic system and see how it quickly becomes complex. So your AV guy decides that he wants to add your conference rooms to your network. They also want to start adding cameras, a TriCaster, or whatever your Dante DVS-enabled camera is. Now you've added another congregation or another facility, another console. You've added more musicians. You're adding another amp rack. Essentially, more domains, and I can keep adding these. And before you know it, you've got a Dante nightmare. What's the solution to this? The NTP Penta 720. In this example, I have independent or combined domains utilizing the 8 128 Dante cards, giving me a routing of 1,088 channels where I have different domains, different networks, and different clocks all connected into the hub of the Penta 720. This also has sample rate conversion, so when I need to take care of those different sample rates and clock sources, I can control this in DATMAN Software. It looks like this. You have choirs, you might have multiple stages or facilities, you might have outdoor facilities using 96K, which is at a different sample rate than your main facility. You might have a youth choir in a different building, all connected to your 720, in this case with 4 Dante cards and 4 AES cards for the line arrays. I'm then through Dante routing this to my Penta 721S that's in my mobile facility or my broadcast facility. The back end of this looks just like this. I have 4 Dante 128 cards and 4 AES3 cards for plenty of digital connectivity. But let's talk about what comes with it. The total in this configuration gives me 80 AES channels of EBU, 192 channels of MADI, which has SFP options, 5 possible domains, 576 Dante channels with sample rate conversion, all in one easy unit. But how do I handle the clocking? So when you have multiple campuses, you need to utilize GPS time clock. You set up your antennas, connecting via satellite, you now can connect your audio through dark fiber. Dark fiber connectivity can be leased or purchased, as in Salt Lake City, where they own fiber between the Brigham Young University campuses, and this will give you long-distance accessing between campuses. The Penta Universe, the backbone to your Dante network, the Penta 720 or 721S is the perfect interface for multi-format conversion and routing. Affordable, reliable, flexible, and expandable. A 3-year warranty upon registration. Crestron connectivity. DVS connectivity for TriCaster or other DVS-enabled cameras. Avid 3 compatibility, so that's S6, S4, S1, the dock, Matrix, and the Matrix Studio. And DDM compatibility. The Penta Universe, the solution to your audio over IP network. This is Kurt Howell from NTP Technology. Thank you very much, and check out our websites for more additional information at ntp-us.com or ntp-dk or digitalaudio.dk. Thank you very much.